My name is Justin Oltisvig, and I am an illustrator and painter. Well, inspiration is kind of an interesting thing because I think inspiration is everywhere. I mean, traveling, people, culture especially is an obvious where you can find inspiration, but you can find inspiration in graffiti art, storefronts. You can find inspiration in a design on a rug. Anywhere you look, as long as you have an appreciation for it and an eye for detail in design, I mean, inspiration's all around us. So, as for my artwork, and especially what I'm showing tonight, a lot of things is just get yourself out there, be productive with your work. But as an artist, I think you ultimately just want to keep doing what you love to do and keep producing and keep being productive and producing works. So for me, tonight is just a way to get out there, mingle with other artists and photographers and designers, and rub shoulders with other people who are in, your peers, and maybe network yourself in a couple different ways. Yeah, Raw's pretty dope. Like I know some friends of mine who did a Raw show in Phoenix and out in Baltimore as well, and they were kind of the ones to tell me to link up with you guys, and just a great way to network and show off what you do, and be around other people who are just as passionate as you. So you can check me out at 2ldesign.com. It's actually just an alias I go by. Really, my name is Justin Oltisvig. That's my photography as well, but also my artist name. But I go under the alias 2ldesign, and you can check my work out there. My name is Justin Oltisvig, and I am a raw artist.